Okay, ladies and gentlemen, finally, from the chairperson of the commission and from the commission and from this committee, we wish to remind all political players in Kasipul and elsewhere in the country that at no time should their activities endanger the safety or lives of IEBC staff. These men and women are working for the commission and for the nation. For our responsibility is a delegated responsibility under the Constitution. And every Kenyan has a responsibility to ensure that IEBC does its role in a safe environment. So in Kasipul, we are clear in our mind that Kasipul has bled, but it has to stop. It is time. You, two candidates, have signed this political decency and peace charter for political candidates. And in this, you have committed yourselves. You have said you recognize our shared ideal of one Kenya, respectful of our history and desirous of a united Kenya, exercising our democratic right to participate in the political life of our country, aware that election violence, intimidation, and improper influence undermine the ideals of peace and cohesion, desirous of political decency and greater accountability, appreciative of the peace-building work by the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission and the National Cohesion and Integration Commission. Commit that in your campaigns, whether personally or through your political party agents, official or supporters, you'll abide by all this that is enumerated here. And all this is pretty much what the law requires you to do, what the Electoral Code of Conduct requires you to do, which you have signed. And ladies and gentlemen, we have no business being where we are today. We ought to be out there building the nation in peace, love, and harmony. We thank you once again. We look forward to peaceful and successful elections, campaigns and by-elections, Kasipul, where a winner will shake the hands of the loser. Because there can only be one winner. Thank you.